Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left, you're looking at one of our brand new refrigeration condensing units. Okay, this is going to be a 2 horsepower unit. Okay, we'll show you more details in a bit, but before that I want to go ahead and show you the front. It is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. So you can locate the brand on the front as well. You can locate your controller. There's a Dixel controller, so this is where you can set your temperature, and the temperature will display on there as well. Okay, so you also will be provided with a manual for the condensing unit. So all the information is going to be located right here. Also, you will be provided with a Dixel controller manual as well. Okay, so the Dixel controller manual will be provided. Okay, so this is the condensing unit that will go on your walk-in box. Okay, you will have to build the hole, and then this is where you're just going to place it inside. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and give you the measurements so that when you do go ahead and order one of these, you'll know the measurement that you need to cut your box. Okay, so measurements, you're looking at 29.5 by 19. 29.5 by 19. Okay, so that's the size that you need to cut your hole for the box. Okay, so obviously this is the piece that goes inside the box, and this is the outer piece. As I mentioned, you can use this as a freezer or refrigeration for your walk-in box. Now, if you follow me over to the side where I mentioned there's going to be a sticker with all the specs, all the information on this condensing unit. Model, voltage is 220 volt, single phase unit. Okay, all that information, refrigerant type, will be located on that sticker. Okay, this is a 2 horsepower condensing unit for your walk-in box. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update all the information regarding this unit on the website, including the price for this exact one. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.